Today I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin garland with only a few items. You will need an orange and green yarn, green pipe cleaners, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun with the glue sticks. We're going to first start with our orange yarn, and we're going to take the end of it and wrap it around 3 fingers approximately 25 times. You can do more or less than this as well. Once we've wrapped it around roughly 25 times, we're going to snip it away from the ball of yarn, and we're going to measure out and cut a 15cm piece of the same orange yarn. We're going to take this 15cm piece and we're going to slide it through the centre of the wrapped yarn. We're then going to make a tight double knot. We're going to do this again, doing the same technique by wrapping the orange yarn around 3 fingers roughly 25 times to make the second segment of our pumpkin. Once you have all of your segments of your pumpkin, we're going to trim away any excess yarn. And then we're going to cut another 15cm piece of the orange yarn, and we're going to slide it through the middle of both of our wrapped pieces. We then tie a tight double knot to create our pumpkin shape. We can then open up and move around the wrapped strands to really start forming our pumpkin. We're then going to cut a small amount of our green pipe cleaner for the stem of the pumpkin. I'd always do this a little bit longer and you then can cut away the excess. We're then going to add a dab of glue onto the top of the pumpkin in the centre, and we're going to stick our pipe cleaner stem onto it. We're going to repeat this whole process several times to get our pumpkins to pop onto our garland. It's completely up to you how many pumpkins that you need to make. You could always try these in different colours as well.
I
I then take my green yarn and I measure that on where I'm going to hang it. So for me, I'm going to hang mine on my mantelpiece. So I measure my yarn and I snip it away from the ball of yarn. And then what I like to do is at both ends, I like to double it back on itself and tie a knot to make a hoop in order to attach it to my mantelpiece. And I'm going to do the same at the opposite end. To attach your pumpkins, we're going to wrap the pipe cleaner stem around the green garland yarn. I'd like to give it a little twist just to tighten it up. Make sure you leave enough spacing in between each pumpkin. And there you have your beautiful pumpkin garland, perfect for fall or autumn decoration. If you'd like to see more of these quick crafts, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.